My name is Carrie, and I am age 37, and I was diagnosed last year, January 2016, with breast cancer. So with my cancer diagnosis and being estrogen positive, I knew that the estrogen in my body was feeding the cancer. For luck, our local support group, one of my survivor sisters, she mentioned the diVa treatment, and I was intrigued by it. With the diVa, I did 3 sessions and they were all 30 days apart. The first thing I noticed is intercourse with my husband. It was a little bit easier and less of a ordeal. I'd say between the second and third treatment with the diVa, I noticed the most difference. Intimacy with my husband was better. It wasn't like, hey, let's plan this. Hey, let's get out our best friend in a bottle. So just bringing back my confidence of me and feeling better about myself and my body. And now after the third treatment, I honestly am back to normal. Brings back your confidence. It brings back a little more spontaneity in your sexual life with your partner. So that's the biggest thing to me, to just being natural, like the sensations there, it's yourself. Your skin is healthy. I just feel happy. I feel confident. I feel better in my relationship with my husband. You know, the sexual health, that aspect's better. Again, the confidence is back. I feel less scarred from my cancer. I mean, there are so many aspects of living life after cancer, but just as far as my body, I just feel back to my old self as much as I can be.